Hey guys, welcome back to Milky and Sis, and today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12. Let's get started. It took about 1 week to come and it finally arrived. Let's take the cover off. It's so satisfying. Let's open the box. Whoa. This phone looks so beautiful. The color is black and it has kind of like a shiny like back, which is like really cool. Let's put this aside and see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box it comes with a lightning to USB-C cable. And then here it comes with a SIM card pin, some instructions, and an Apple sticker. So this phone doesn't come with a wall charger nor earbuds like it used to because of their environmental reasons. So that's there. And let's move on to the phone part. So here's the phone, and it has 5G internet, which is the fastest internet right now. And this paper thing has like these little symbols on it. Here's the on button, and this is the sound buttons, and then this is the ringer. And that's what these indicate. So let's take off the paper. Whoa. Oh, that was cool. So here's the phone, and it looks so cool. And the thing is, this whole thing is black and both sides are shiny because like the screen itself is shiny because like it's a glass, and the back is also shiny, which is really cool. So now let's go ahead and on the phone. Ooh, the Apple logo. So as soon as an Apple device opens, there's the hello thing. So let's swipe up. Let's just pick English and Canada. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I'll be right back. So it's done setting up, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the software update. So the phone is all set up and the software update is done, and here's the phone. And now let's go ahead and put the case on. So here I have the phone case, which is off Amazon. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the case. So if there's anything else in the box, there's nothing else. So just the phone case out. So here's a phone case, and it's a clear phone case because when it's clear we can see the nice background of this. So we got the clear phone case. So here's some card. So let's just take this plastic cover off. There we go. And then let's put it in the phone. And there we go. And then let's just peel off the back. And ta-da! So here's the final product. Here's the phone and the phone case. And I had a blast doing this. It was really fun unboxing a new phone. And I hope you guys enjoyed this too. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!